Ladies and gentlemen, welcome into a sound design tutorial. Why am I doing this hand sign? I don't know, it's kind of cool. 2 days ago, I asked you if you want a Serum synthesizing sound design video. Just like a production video, but instead of me making producing a track, we're gonna be producing a synth preset. And oh my god, there was 800 people who liked the idea and 130 comments almost. Okay. Damn, this coffee is freaking good. Latte macchiato. Very good coffee. So I think we're gonna start with making some chords and then we'll go into making different things, or we will focus on one only preset. Maybe spend more time working on one preset instead of making a couple of presets in a shorter time. Also, we are not gonna be using any post-processing. A huge part of sound design is post-processing, but in this video, we are not gonna be using even EQ. We want to make sure that the sound that comes straight from the Serum is as good as it can be without any post-processing. Because you can make a shitty sound in Serum and then you can post-process it and you can make it awesome, but this is not what we are going for. So let's go to the Galaxy sample pack and let's pick some MIDI files. Also, as you can hear, the huge impact on the sound of the synth makes the chord progression, or like the melody. So not only having a great preset is like 50%. This synth, just the initial preset, sounds pretty sick with these chords. Okay, so let's start with making some Flume sounds. I don't know how to make Flume sounds, but let's just make something that is kind of like breathtaking, you know? So let's go with a basic shapes. Pretty good. Also, we're gonna go into LFO 1. Gonna click a bunch of times here with Alt and it's gonna appear. Also hold Alt and do this. We're gonna drag the LFO onto fine tune, move it like this, turn off these guys. So we got this so like a swimming, like a wobbly vinyl thing. Now also because we can hear some clicks at the beginning, I'm just gonna pull the attack forward. Yeah, no clicks, really cool. Also for like more dynamics, we can pull the sustain down. Okay, so the next thing, let's just do this guy. God damn it, why are you calling me? I'm busy. Do not call me again, or you will regret this. Oh, you called me twice. That's kind of cool. Let's just try it, automating this. Okay, that's getting interesting. Ooh, that's getting sick. I also want to automate the filter movement because we are getting some high frequencies that have been, because we are like multiplying the sine wave, so it creates some high frequencies. We don't want that. I mean, if you want that, I don't want that. That's kind of cool. I want to see what's gonna happen if I just enable this guy. So maybe do this. Oh, that would be sick if I could automate this guy as a mode source from the sing. Would that be sick? No, you can't do that. Ooh, that would be so good. Duplicate this guy here. Maybe speed it up. Do this. No, I want this to be more like a unexpected thing, you know? Just gotta do the grid 16, do this, so something like that maybe. Pretty good, I like this. I want like more, like, oh, what if I just use the smooth? Ooh, yeah. We're getting some movement and I really like that. How about using this rise thing, spinning up? Okay, we're getting some movement. Also, this sound is really muddy, so I'm just gonna... First of all, let's try this LTT here. Maybe just do this. Cool, now let's go to the reverb. I want this reverb to be more like a standard reverb, so I'm just gonna pick a plate. Ooh. Wait. Ooh, that's good. Okay, how about doing another automation, but like off. Yeah, so it kind of like creates this reverb swell onto the top. Also, I'm gonna save this preset because bad things can happen. That's right. Also, this thing is gonna sound pretty good. Like that. Also, if we increase the unisono and do like this one. We're getting this pretty cool Reese. So let's stick to this thing. Let's try chorus. If you click here, you can actually turn a high pass filter instead of low pass. So that's good because I don't like the having low in here. So we are adding some width to the sound. Pretty good. Also, let's try a delay, maybe at the end of the whole chain. Let's do the ping pong delay. Do a little bit like this. I want like like 1/8. But maybe this one dotted. Ooh, that's good. Getting pretty nice. Okay, so I'm gonna start adding macros. The first one is gonna be a wavetable switch. Gonna go from a sine wave to a saw wave. Also, I'm gonna do the synth automation. So we get less of this automation thing going on. Also, what we can do is we can go here. That's like more advanced thing, I guess. If you go to LFO that is modulating a certain parameter, you can right click here and go to aux source. And then you can choose a macro 2, and that's gonna control the amount of this modulation. Yeah, so we did the opposite thing. It should be like this. Just a little bit of the moving noise. Also, I'm gonna just do a cutoff automation. Cutoff. Did I say cutoff? Oh. Cut off. Cut off. Oh, it's cut off. Not, oh. Big brain. Cut off. That's why it's cut off. Okay, so what can we add more? If you want, you can add this downsample distortion kind of simple. What is sine shaper? Sucks. I'm not a big fan of this. Let's try a soft clip. Kind of gives that warmth to it a little bit. Let's try this one. But move this here. Can you automate? Oh, really? You can automate unisono? Let me check. Oh, really? Steve Duda, please add unisono automation. Maybe it is possible, but I'm just dumb. But I really like this on being 5. So I think we can automate this guy. That is good. Okay, we can try EQing this also. Maybe a little bit of the high end is always good. Yeah, so that's it. That's a preset. Let's try different MIDIs. Am I automating 2 things at once? The same things? I can automate the speed of this guy. Yeah. Ooh, that's sick. Okay, maybe a little bit less of this movement, I think. Yeah, cool. I really like this preset. It's kind of like really analog, really sick analog sound. So good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm really happy of how the sound turned out. I will definitely be doing more. Hope you enjoyed this and I hope you learned something. Have a nice day and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can cite that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.